He doesn't bark at all.
No, almost never.
The activity level is steady, but
Yeah,
not the voice
but
box.
not the mouth.
Actually, I think he might be a bit more active than Betty is. You give her a run for her money.
She might actually, yeah.
Ah!